Today in this session we will discuss some more basic or elementary continuous time signals from unit 1 of signals and systems subject. So another basic continuous time signal is very important signal is Sinc signal or which is also called as Sinc function. We can call in both ways. In both ways we can call Sinc signal or Sinc function. Let us see about this very important basic continuous time signal. It is mathematically defined as so it is represented with, remember that it is represented with Sinc of t. It is pronounced as Sinc of t, which is mathematically written as sin t by t in the interval minus infinity less than t less than infinity. So this is how it is mathematically defined, very simple definition, sin t by t. So let us find out what will be the nature of the graph of Sinc of t or sin t by t. So based on this equation sin t by t, let us find out where this function is. At t is equal to 0, what is the value of this function? At what values this function sin t by t will become 0, and what will be the nature of this graph sin t by t? Let us discuss in the coming session. Now first let us, number 1, let us find what is the value of this function at a time t is equal to 0. So you can substitute if sin t is equal to 0 here, sin g by 0, so that will become 1. As you know from basic mathematics of limits, if t tends to 0, sin t by t. So what is the value of this function? The value of this function from basic mathematics is 1. Or limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta is equal to, sin theta by theta is equal to 1. So therefore the value of this function at t is equal to 0 is 1. So because of sin t in the numerator, as you know that sin t will become 0 at t is equal to plus or minus n pi. So due to that nature, sin t by t graph will be 0 at t is equal to plus or minus n pi. So that is the another observation you can make. Sin t by or Sinc of t is equal to 0 at t is equal to plus or minus n pi. This function is 0 at t is equal to plus or minus n pi because of sin t in the numerator. The third observation you can make is that it is an even function of t. So that is, in mathematics, if any function satisfies, for example, x of minus t is equal to x of t, such a function is called as even function or even signal. Sinc of t has this nature, so that's why it is called as even signal or even function. So we will discuss more about even signals and odd signals in the coming sessions. Meanwhile, you remember that Sinc is an even function of t. The fourth point is that it is multiplication of sin t graph. Remember that it is the multiplication of sin t graph and 1 by t graph. So let us draw both sin t and 1 by t. If you multiply both of them, so what will be the nature of sin t by t graph? Let us check out. So for this purpose, first draw sin t graph. As you know that the sine graph will be of this nature, oscillating signal. It is also called as an oscillating signal. Very important signal. This is sin t graph. This is sin t versus t. So you are multiplying this signal with 1 by t. Remember that we are multiplying it with 1 by t graph. So 1 by t versus t. So for example, if you substitute t is equal to 0, so if t is equal to 0, 1 by 0 infinity, somewhere it starts from infinity, at t is equal to infinity, 1 by infinity will become 0. That means the nature of this graph 1 by t will be of some kind. It is decreasing something like this. and will become 0 finally. Starts from infinity and finally it becomes 0 at infinity. Similarly, towards left side, if t is equal to 0, 1 by 0 infinity. For negative values, if you increase the negative values, similarly this function decreases at something like this. And at t is equal to minus infinity again, at t is equal to infinity it will become 0. At minus t infinity also this function will become 0. Okay, so this nature, 1 by t nature of graph will be something like this. If you multiply both of them, what you can conclude that the sine wave amplitude decreases exponentially, or sine wave amplitude decreases with respect to a factor of 1 by t on both sides. We have to draw such a graph of multiplication of sine t into 1 by t. So therefore I will draw sine t by t graph, which is called as Sinc function or Sinc signal. Let us draw carefully this diagram. So this is t. So this is Sinc of t. So 0. So carefully note that. So we have to draw a sine signal. We have to draw a sine graph whose amplitude decreases on both sides. Whose amplitude decreases on both sides because of multiplication of 1 by t. Because of multiplication of 1 by t. So we have to draw like this. So as we have mentioned earlier, this function value is 1 at t is equal to 0. This function will become 0. At first 0 will come at pi plus or minus, and this function will become 0 at 2 pi, 3 pi. Left side, this function will become 0 minus pi, minus 2 pi, minus 3 pi because of sine t in the numerator. And you can clearly see that the amplitude of the signal decreases with a factor of 1 by t, on both sides. So this is the nature of Sinc t graph, where this such a kind of signal is useful. Let us write the last point. It is called as an interpolating function. Where this is used in signals and system, it is used to reconstruct the original signal. It is used to reconstruct the original signal from its samples. So we will discuss more about what is this interpolation signal, how to reconstruct the original signal from its samples in the sampling theorem, while we discuss sampling theorem. Meanwhile, you remember that, for example, if you take the samples of a signal, for example, if one sample is like this, another sample is like this, another sample is like this, another sample is like this, let us assume that something like this, if you take the samples. So how to reconstruct the original signal from these samples? So that is how to reconstruct the original signal from its samples. So then in such a case, we have to use this function, Sinc function, in order to reconstruct the original signal from the samples. We will discuss more about this function in sampling theorem derivation. So this is all about another basic elementary continuous time signal, very important signal, Sinc signal.